Hello everyone, welcome back to Rebby Kid Foods. Rebby Kid Foods, a channel of African traditional recipes, modern recipes, breakfast ideas. In fact, in general, amazing videos on recipes. So if at all you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to this huge channel. View the videos, then share. Remember also to press onto your notification bell so that you can always be notified when a new video has been posted. So for returning viewers, thank you so much for your support, and please don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebby Kid Foods, don't skip the ads. So guys, today I'm back with this recipe. I just want to make spaghetti in carrots. I want to cook carrots with spaghetti. It's a very simple recipe, very tasty. Please make sure you try out these Rebby Kid Foods. Enjoy them. So let's get to the cooking. Guys, these are the carrots. I've just peeled them and I've chopped it into these sizes. These are the carrots that I'm going to use to make some paste for the spaghetti. And I have one bunch of spaghetti. I don't know how. It's 400 grams. I have some 400 grams for spaghetti. And apart from that, I have chopped some vegetables here that I'm going to use. Like these are tomatoes. I've chopped some tomatoes here. I have some green bell peppers here. I have red onions chopped here. And I have red bell peppers also here. So guys, I've chopped them in these sizes and I'm placing them on this pan, inside this pan. So this is what I have, this vegetable that I'm going to use. So you can see guys, it's looking so tasty. Then apart from that, I'm going to add in my chopped carrots. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to mix up everything. I'm going to mix all these vegetables together and then I'm going to boil them. So stay tuned. So we are going to add some water. Just little water to boil it so that it can be soft. So stay tuned. So guys, as my bell peppers and my vegetables are still boiling, I have half kg here of my beef. I've just diced them into pieces. So I'm going to boil them at the same time. So this is what I'm going to serve with that carrot paste and spaghetti. Stay tuned, wait and see this Rebby Kids recipe today that's going to make you salivate. So guys, back to my vegetables. I guess it is done. It is now soft now. So what I'm going to do is just to blend them. So I'm going to take it out. So I'm just going to blend them. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, I'll boil my beef. So I will transfer everything. Remember, we have tomatoes here, we have carrots here, we have the bell peppers, we have the green and the red, and we also have red onions. The onions will give it the best nice aroma. So stay tuned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in everything here. Make sure your carrots are soft, so that when you are blending, it comes out smoothly and everything should be in order. Thus, this is a very nice recipe. Just watch this video until the end so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So stay tuned. see, this is the carrot paste that we are going to use. We're going to use to make our tasty recipe spaghetti. Stay tuned. My beef is done. My beef is done. So what I'm going to do next is just to take it out now, and then I will place. I'm going to add some vegetable oil, just a little bit, for the spaghetti now. Stay tuned. I'll place my oil. I'm going to add in now my paste. This is the carrot paste into that oil. The reason why we are using oil is to help us, and then we give it a good stir. Make sure you give it a good stir. Let's see how this recipe looks. So nice. So this kind of paste, you can also use it in rice. It can color your rice and make your rice look so appetizing, so tasty. So at this point now, you can add, if at all you did not add any salt to the beef, you can add salt to this. Now what I will do next now is to add in now my beef. I'm adding in my beef to the paste and make sure everything goes in well. Then now later now I'm going to add in a little water to it for the sake of so I'll add in water, not so much water, just a bit of water so that it can enable the spaghetti to boil. Remember guys, everything here is well cooked, and now the spaghetti needs about 10 to 15 minutes. So stay tuned. So guys, back to my paste. It has boiled. It has boiled, and now this is the time now I'm going to add in my spaghetti. And just as a reminder, as I told you, when you're making spaghetti, don't break them. Just put them the way they are. As they cook, they just drop. So stay tuned. Wow. Oh. So guys, this is carrot paste cooked with spaghetti. So delicious. Please watch this video until the end and see the amazing recipe, carrot recipe from Rebecca Soup. It is somehow done. It is done. My spaghetti is ready, and it has that carrot stew. And what I'm going to do is just to serve it. So please view my video, like, share, and then try out this. Very, very tasty. Oh, I wish you could taste that. So stay tuned. Spaghetti, the carroted spaghetti with some beef stew. So guys, you can see how tasty this food is. You can just have a taste. Ooh, so nice. Apart from the way it looks, guys, it is so tasty. Let me just have a bite. So nice. So guys, please try out this video. Try out this recipe. So nice, so enjoyable, so easy to make. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.